Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Geardo. In this video, we will show you Xiaomi K30 battery replacement. Pretty much like other Xiaomi phones, the back cover is glued on with an adhesive seal. And for us to be able to remove it easily, we need to apply some heat. You can use heat gun, hair dryer or a heat mat, but make sure you don't put too much heat on the phone and try to use the heat in the area where the adhesives are. Usually they are around the frame or sometimes around the camera lens also. Once the heat is applied, you can use a suction cup to pull the back cover up a little bit to create a space where you can insert your pry tool. In this case, we are using a plastic card to cut through the adhesive which is holding up the back cover. Well, as you can see, this was the phone from the water test and there is some water inside. Anyways, we keep going with the battery replacement, how it has to be done. First, we are going to unscrew all the screws from the shield which is covering the motherboard. After unscrewing, we will use a spudger tool to disconnect the main flex for the LCD and get it out of the way. In the bottom of the battery, you can see there is an adhesive which has a black flap which you can catch and start pulling. Remember always that try to stretch it as slowly as you can, because a simple jerk can break it and then it will be a problem for you to remove the battery. You might have to end up using some chemicals and pick up the battery, which can bend the battery. That will really make a mess. But if you are able to pull those stickers out easily, which is not a big task, this is how easily you can remove the battery. Once the battery is removed, you can use double-sided tape, glue, or these adhesives to install it back. You can use the same method as shown in this video. If we use this method, it will be easy for us to make a second battery replacement on it. This is the same adhesive that you can pull it out. Just get the main flex cable out of the way for the LCD and install it back. Make sure that it is sitting properly from all the sides. it is recommended to put all the connectors back on before you try to turn on the phone, all the LCD, battery, everything. Well, this is how you can replace the battery. Now just go back, reverse all the things you have done, install the shield, put all the screws back, make sure they are all in their place. The recommendation is that all the screws have to be back in their place. Now it's the time to put the back cover on. You can use a double-sided tape or a glue, put it around the corners, push it, leave it there for a while, and the job is done. Now you can see, turn on the phone if battery is working. Well, in our case it is working. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment and share and subscribe. Let us know what do you think about our videos. Have a great day. Bye.